2000 Massachusetts quarter, one of the most important coins in the 50 state quarters series, and the very first one released. This video is perfect for beginner and experienced collectors. We'll show you how to identify rare errors, explain how much these quarters are worth today, and highlight valuable varieties that can bring in $50, $150, or even $300 plus. What's special about this coin? The 2000 Massachusetts quarter features the famous Minuteman standing over the outline of the state, symbolizing America's fight for independence. Millions were minted, but only a small number contained the errors that collectors are chasing. Rare errors to look for: double die obverse. Look closely at the word Liberty or the Minuteman's details. Die cracks. These can appear on the Minuteman's rival, state border, or letters. Missing clad layer, a major mint error that exposes the copper core, very collectible. Off-center strike. The image is not perfectly centered. The more dramatic, the more valuable. Broad strike errors. The coin appears flatter and wider due to a collar malfunction during minting. Value in 2025, circulated condition, 25 cents to $1 uncirculated, $5 to $15 rare error coins, $50 to $300 plus, depending on the type and condition of the error. Watch closely as we show example images and tips to spot these valuable coins in your own pocket change. Support the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support rare coins and lost antique. Your support helps us continue bringing valuable coin information and hidden treasure discoveries to collectors around the world.